Alamada. Looks like it's really not possible. Wow. Nice. What is that? What a road. Hey! All right, ready to go? Ready to leave Kotabato. So we have now around 90 kilometers to go. That means it's a 2-hour drive because I want to go to Aiki Falls. I heard it's closed for now because of the road, I think. I don't know, but I still want to try it because you never know. You never know, so I check it myself. If it's really not possible, then I will find a plan B. So let's see, let's go. Streets are empty today. I love it. No traffic. That's amazing. Shukran. No problem. Thank you so much, Cotabato City. It was a pleasure. Alright, we're leaving the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Bye bye. Welcome to the mountains and welcome to Alamada. Wow. Today I'm not enough, but I still stay. Wow, look at all these palm trees. Stay alive, try to lose all of your money. A bit rocky. Me? Where are you going? Oh, baby goats. Okay, we're close to Aiki. 13 minutes and 8 kilometers. Oi. Wow, yeah, okay. Looks like it's really not possible. So you have to walk around 10 kilometers. Papa. Alright, this should be the road to Aiki. Okay, I got it. Why it's closed? Alright, no Aiki Falls for me. We will drive back to the Alamada road for 20 kilometers and grab lunch and a coffee and find the overlooking place. My goodness, cutie, sorry. Disturbing you. No Aiki Falls for me. and I need gasoline. This Xpulse. You know what's actually always missing in the Philippines? If something is closed, there's no sign. So you never know if it's closed or not. I was actually just meeting somebody yesterday who told me that it's closed. But yeah, I don't know where are the signs. We're back at the National Highway. This road is fun. This road is fun. You're free. Camp Heaven's View. Okay, let's check. Looks like they don't have lunch or coffee. Looks super close. Okay, nothing to eat. Nothing to drink. It's just a viewpoint, and I guess you can camp here overnight if you want to. And yeah, they're doing construction here, so it's pretty loud right now. But yeah, I need food. Okay, we need food. So we'll just continue on the Alamada National Highway and see if I can find a place with a nice view. And food and coffee. Stone house. Wow, look how cute it is. Huh, didn't look like something to eat. Nice view. Welcome to Sunset del Pilar. Let's check. Boy. Wow, look, a tiny house there. Coffee. Okay, they have coffee, that's good. Okay, they don't have food. And if you go this way, there is a pool. But I don't need a pool. Okay, food. Chicken, please. Thank you. Food. Okay lang.
A few moments later.
Okay, bye bye Ostik Cafe, and I will just see now how far I can get. Basically, I have in my Google Maps 2 hours and 40 minutes and 130 kilometers to go. Going up, and north, and on the way we will leave the autonomous region of Muslim area. So let's see how far I will drive. Oi. Ay, my goodness, what a road! And we are pretty high, even though I don't know how high, but it's cold. That's why I can tell you that we're pretty high. You're crossing the street, of course. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to the bones. Ay, 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 ay. Nice. Wow. What is that? Woo! Man. What a landscape. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. It reminds me a little bit of Terraza Cafe in Banay in Antique. Wow. Look at this. My goodness. How beautiful the world is we live in. Look, somebody is traveling in front of me as well. Nice. Wow, that's truly beautiful here. What a roads. These hills here can be a Windows wallpaper.
Hey! Mamma mia, you're here!
Man, I was driving behind you for at least 15 minutes.
I didn't know! I didn't know, I'm just enjoying the road.
Same, crazy, huh?
Woo. My God. It's a wonderful route. That's why I think I
Super
need to
nice.
stay here. How about some coffee first? Let's
Let's drink a coffee. Guess who changed the plan again? It's me. I met Capo super randomly and we talked a lot. It got late, so I have a room now close to Alamada, I think it's called. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.